can I get a large steep tea with 1 milk, 1 sugar?
Yep.
And 1 bottle of water, please.
That's everything?
That's all.
Sure, drive up, please.
Thank you. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Tonight we're heading down to a new meeting spot with a bunch of new Euro car enthusiasts. I'll put a link below for their Facebook and Instagram page. The organizer was one of the guys that actually reached out to me after the CTV News interview and asked me to come out to their event because they're a lot more casual and relaxed. So we're gonna go and check out the meet. Just me and my youngest. Everybody else has bailed on me, but that's okay. Me and my daughter can just share some time together. So let's head down and go check out the meet and see what it's like. I don't know if you can guys see this, but I think we've picked up some Alberta German group guys that are following us. I've noticed them in the rearview mirror for a while now, and they seem to be following us to the same location. So let's head up and check it out. Welcome to 17th Avenue in Calgary. Very business orientated pubs. A lot of people come down here to hang out. Not a bad cruise and a meet up with the Alberta German Euro guys. Good group of guys, friendly, welcoming, and just good old car enthusiasts that don't like the revving and stunting and doing all the BS driving. So pretty good turnout, nice cruising around downtown, and lots of fun. So now we're just gonna take the cruise back on home, go put Stone away, and yeah, the camera's about to die again. I really need to get a second battery, but it's okay. We're almost done, and Let me know what you guys thought of the new carbon fiber spoiler. Drop a comment below. Didn't film it. It's not a video that seems to get a lot of views, so it was nice just to be able to modify it and not have to do all the extra work with editing it. So let me know what you guys think, but we're gonna head home.